I have a theory that you have about a 98% chance at being successful at whatever you want to have a career in if you just make 400 long form pieces of YouTube content about that thing. If you either educate people about that thing or you entertain people through that thing, if you make 400 pieces of long form horizontal YouTube videos about it, there's no conceivable reality in my mind in which that thing does not become your paid career, and probably pretty well paid. So this is just something I've observed watching people like Graham Stephan, watching Gary Vee, watching Rick Beato. Rick Beato's a music channel, Gary Vee's entrepreneur channel, Graham Stephan's a finance channel. These guys, they post on a rhythm that feels something like 3 long form pieces of video content a week. And after watching them over 3 years, all of their channels just flew past 1 million subscribers. And so if you are trying to build a business in any field, whether you want to be a musician, an actor, a agency, a marketing agency, whether you want to start a private equity firm, whatever you want to do, if you make 400 pieces of video content about it, it will be your career. So this is just my deeply held belief and theory that I am learning how to put into practice myself. That's why I'm here sharing this with you. I just want to plant the seed in your mind. Just think, whatever I want, I'm just 400 pieces of long form YouTube content away from this being my career. Because you will be a thought leader in your space, no matter what, if you make that much content around it. And you'll also be so much more knowledgeable than the average person in your field if you make 400 pieces of content about something. Because teaching something is one of the most potent ways, if not the most potent way, to actually ingrain the learning of it into yourself. To teach is to learn at the deepest level. So I hope this inspires you to just pull out your phone, your camera, without expectation. Just take a moment, think about what you're passionate about, and you can if you need to, you can take 5-10 minutes to jot down a few ideas about all the different things you could make videos about, or copy some other videos that have done well in the space and make it your own. Or if you're like me, just fully improvise it and just set the resolution, hit record, point the camera at your face, and just talk about it for a minimum of 30 seconds. And you'll probably want to go further than that, but start with that. I've found that kind of easy barrier to entry to be such an inspiring way to get into taking action instead of overthinking, and you'll be well on your way. So this is my mission. I'm gonna make 400 YouTube videos. I need to set a time frame for it, but this year I have at least the intention to make 51 videos per this year. And yeah, I'll see you at video 400. Happy creating. Also, last thing, if you feel like you struggle with how to create in a spontaneous way, or how to make your creative process easier so that you can actually be consistent, check out this video right here. And this will help you be better at making your goals easy, better at getting consistent with your goals. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.